Good afternoon, respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Today, I stand before you to speak on a very meaningful topic. Speak for tomorrow. This topic is not just a slogan or a title, it's a responsibility. It reminds us what we say, what we do, and what we change today will decide how tomorrow will look. What does speak for tomorrow mean? Speak for tomorrow means raising our voice today for better future. It means thinking not only about ourselves but also about the next generations. Which means identifying the problems we see now and finding solutions before they grow bigger. One of the most important areas where we must speak for tomorrow is education because education shapes society. Let us first understand some problems in the present education system. Many students are studying only to score marks, not to gain real knowledge. Exams have become more important than understanding. Some students feel stressed, afraid, and they are under the pressure all the time. In many classrooms, students are not encouraged to ask questions. Their creativity, imagination, and independent thinking are often ignored. Every students are expected to learn in the same way, even though everyone is different. Another serious problem is inequality. Some students have access to good schools, technology, and guidance, while others do not. This gap creates an unfair future. If we stay silent about these problems, they will continue tomorrow. That's why we must speak today for tomorrow. How can we make education better? First, learning should be focused on understanding, not memorizing. Students should be taught how to think, not what to think. Second, classrooms should be safe spaces where students can ask questions without fear. Mistakes should be treated as a part of learning, not as failure. Third, education should include life skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. These skills are just as important as textbooks. Technology should be used wisely to make learning better and interesting, not stressful. Teachers should guide, inspire, and support students, not only prepare them for exams. Some people believe that students are too young to bring a change, but history shows us the young voices have always shaped the future. As we are students, we can speak up against unfairness, support our classmates, respect different opinions, and learn with curiosity but not fear. When we choose honesty over shortcuts, learning over marks, and kindness over competitions, we are speaking for a better future. A question asked in a class, a doubt cleared, a helping hand offered, all these shapes the future. The main message for tomorrow was if we want a strong nation tomorrow, we need strong education today. If we want a strong nation, peaceful world tomorrow, we must teach values today. If we want a confident leaders tomorrow, we must encourage confident students today. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And Mahatma Gandhi reminded us the future depends on what we do in the present. These words reminds us tomorrow is not a mystery. It's something we are creating right now. To conclude, Speak for Tomorrow is not just about speaking loudly, but speaking wisely. It's about noticing problems, caring enough to talk about them, and having the courage to change them. So, let us promise to speak for equality and understanding. Let us promise to speak for better education. Let us promise to speak for today so that tomorrow becomes brighter, stronger, and better. Thank you.